Hi, thanks for watching Peter's Food Adventures, and today I'm making Grenki. Now, Grenki is made using Borodinski bread, which is this Russian black bread. This is like a bar food. It's made with garlic, and it's like almost like a Russian crouton. It's really popular and it's really delicious. There's also sweet versions. This is a savory one. Let's get started. Okay, so first you want to cut the edges off. Oh, look at that, nice and dense. So you want to cut them about 2 centimeters. And that's about 3/4 of an inch. And you can save this for making cloths later. Now to make this in the air fryer, you do it a little bit different. I know, Grenki in the air fryer, it's the life we live now. Everything fast. That's just sunflower oil. You now just need to brush it on because obviously it's in the air fryer. You can add some melted butter in here. Butter always makes everything taste a little bit better.